Hello, today we have the pleasure of welcoming Lavelle Juan Malloy II, CEO and co-founder of Bragg House, trading on the Nasdaq under the ticker TBH. Lavelle, welcome.
Thank you so much, Craig, for having me.
Lavelle, Bragg House sits at the intersection of gaming, college sports, and social media. Why is that combination so powerful?
Well, it's so powerful because those are the three most dominant cultural forces that are driving Gen Z today. And that's our community, Craig. Bragg House is unique because we don't just sit at that intersection, we activate it. First, through a dynamic community hub where Gen Z can engage authentically through gaming, college rivalries. And second, we layered in a data engine. And those insights from that platform are able to capture real time behavioral analytics.
The gaming industry is a $300 billion market, and Gen Z holds $360 billion in spending power. Now, how big is the addressable market you're going after?
Enormous. The interesting thing about Bragg House is that we operate at the nexus of three high growth industries. So gaming, 300 billion, digital advertising, 700 billion, and data analytics, which is 350 billion. So even with a conservative penetration of just 0.5%, zero point 0.5, our total addressable market is over 6.7 billion.
Plus, you've already partnered with major names such as Coca-Cola, McDonald's, and Learfield. What is attracting these major brands to your model?
Simply, we solve a massive blind spot in their marketing strategy. So brands are traditionally focused on the top 1% of professional gamers, the mega influencers, but 99% of these, gamers or fans are non-professional. And that's kind of where Bragg House comes in. We've kind of reimagined gaming as more of a social, inclusive, brand-friendly environment. And our platform doesn't just offer eyeballs, but it offers real engagements. And that helps brands connect directly through Gen Z through our platform.
You're now launching a tiered membership model with multiple monetization points, from tournaments to live stream features. Now, how big is the upside on user based recurring revenue?
I think it's really big and it's two parts. So one again is our platform. And our platform multi-tiered membership, we're unlocking live streaming, premium tournaments, loyalty rewards, and we do all of that through the platform. We spent a lot of time in making sure that we authentically connect to our users. And we're now being able to leverage that with some amazing partnerships. As you mentioned, Learfield is one of them, and Learfield gives us access to over 200 plus universities in the United States. Secondly, on the backdrop of that, as I think I mentioned, we have access to first party behavioral data. So going into 2026, all these activations that we're doing are going to be on the backbone of creating a really robust data model, which we also plan to monetize through a SaaS model and provide that offering to brands.
Management, Lavelle, of course, it's key to the success of any company, but especially a smaller cap company. Tell us about some of the players on your team.
You said it, team is everything. And we've assembled a world-class team, expertise across media, tech, finance, operations. Personally, I bring over 20 years of experience in the background in corporate law, digital strategy. Our CAO, Daniel Leibovich, he's been deep in operational experience, scaling startups, managing tech infrastructure. We recently brought in a CFO, Chetan Jindal, has over 2 decades of investment experience, previously managed a global equity fund. And we're really then supported by a strong independent board, leaders from companies like Citi, ESPN, ADT, even PIF, the Public Investment Fund of Saudi Arabia. And this bench really strengthens and gives us a strategic vision and execution muscle that we need for growth.
Okay, I'm going to put you on the spot here. Are you ready?
Please do.
All right. Give us the essential value proposition, Lavelle. Why should anyone take an interest in Bragg House right now?
Well, Bragg House isn't just a gaming platform. We are specifically a media tech company that's built for Gen Z with strong infrastructure. And I think we've proven that we can execute major brands. And now with our Learfield partnership, as I mentioned, that's given us access to over 200 universities and scaling that model nationally. So as we move towards our SaaS, our subscription phases, we're really building a high margin, scalable business with real tech defensibility.
Lavelle, great meeting you, and thanks for being with us today.
Thank you so much for having me. I really appreciate it. It's been fun talking to you, Craig.